Hello and welcome to another video. Now, seeing as London has been in about 20 lockdowns, it means my restaurant has had to close several times, which in turn means I have loads of stock left over. Now, how do you use your vegetables that are going off? You make a soup. Today's video is a courgette and basil soup, super easy and quick to do and also very healthy. The ingredients will be listed on the screen and also below in the description. You can start by chopping up your vegetables in nice big chunks and throwing them on a roasting tray. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt. I added a whole garlic bulb and roasted that too. Anywhere between 180 to 220 degrees is fine, and roast until they break down and become soft enough to blend. It should take around 30 to 40 minutes. Pull it out every 10 minutes or so just to toss the vegetables and make sure that they're cooking evenly. Olive oil.
That is the voice of an angel.
Lots of it. Lots of it. Woo, woo, that's a lot of oil. Now it's on.
Your voice is like a combination of Fergie and Jesus.
Mix it up with your hands. Get messy. Get messy.
I felt like I was hovering above my own body watching myself sing.
Soups need texture, otherwise you're just making baby food, so homemade croutons are the go-to.
Make stories when the day is through. Story makers.
He walks in and says, "Can I have a loaf of bread?" I said, "You can have whatever loaf you like, Jeffrey." Says, "Well, what have you got?" I says, "We got sourdough, we got bloomers, we got this homemade pumpernickel bread. So we got whatever you want." You know what he says to me? He says, "There's too much choice. I'm gonna go across the street where they only have one loaf. And a man doesn't have to make up his mind. His mind is made up for him." And that, my friends, is the story of Jimmy and the bread. Cut any stale bread that you have in nice big chunks. Again, season with salt, pepper and olive oil. Then in the oven for about 5 minutes until they go nice and crispy. Once the veg is cooked, put it in the blender, add some basil, the peas with the vegetable stock. You can just use those little vegetable stock cubes, they're fine. Blend away and then season your soup to taste. No one likes a lumpy soup, so blend it for a while. The soup is ready, just finish it with some basil oil, cream, seeds, and the croutons, of course. Alright, please don't explode. Oh, fuck. Okay, you're gonna explode. Why? That is so good. Oh my god. Who would have thought courgettes, eh? I know, me neither, Timmy. I didn't even know it was a thing. He says to me, "What's a courgette?" I said, "Motherfucker, this is a zucchini." There we have it. Soup. Well, I'm just thinking it would have been so much easier to chop the veg up, put it in this, fry it in this hand blender, and then just, why didn't I do that? Next time.